Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
You need two things before we begin: a carrier and phone that support Wi-Fi calling and a reliable Wi-Fi connection. Once you confirm those, open Settings and search for Wi-Fi calling or navigate to Network and Internet. Make sure airplane mode is off and mobile network is enabled. Wi-Fi calling uses your carrier profile to route calls over Wi-Fi when cellular is weak. If you see a carrier prompt, sign in with your account to enable the feature. Once in the Wi-Fi calling menu, flip the toggle to enable it and accept any carrier terms. This registers your device with the carrier for Wi-Fi voice. Next, pick your calling preference. Wi-Fi preferred routes calls over Wi-Fi first, while cellular preferred only falls back to Wi-Fi when needed. You may also be asked to provide an emergency address for 911. Enter a precise address so emergency services can locate you correctly. Finally, restart the phone if the status stays inactive. To finish, verify Wi-Fi calling appears in your status bar or in the call settings, then place a test call to confirm connection and voice quality. If the option is missing or calls drop, restart the phone and toggle Wi-Fi calling off and on. Make sure system and carrier settings are up to date. Sometimes a carrier profile update is required. If problems persist, contact your carrier with your account info. Most issues are account side.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.